Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make banner sliders in your Shopify store. So first, start off from your Shopify dashboard here. And from here, you want to go on the left-hand side here on your online store. Just click on that. Once you click on that, you want to make sure you want on the themes tab here. Now from here, you just have to go to your current theme, which is mine is Rise. Make sure it's your current theme. After that, you just have to click this button to customize it. Let's click on it. Once you click on it, it'll load into this website editor. Now, if I scroll down here, this is an image panel, right? And we want to make a slider version of it. So how do we do that? Let's exit out first. Now, the way we can do this is by clicking on here, on one of the sections here, right? And hovering over, and then clicking on this add section. Let's just click on it. And as you can see here, there's image banner, but there's also here the slideshow, and this is the one we want. Let's click on it. Once you click on it, it'll show up like this. The slideshow is like this, right? And you can customize some of the things like small or adapt to first image. Like you can just customize how big or how small the slider is. You can also add in a pagination style like dots or numbers, so it changes the things here. And you can also uh, customize how many seconds it takes to change a slide. So maybe after 2 seconds or after 3 seconds, it'll change between slides. So from first slide, 1, 2, second slide, 1, 2, and then the third slide, so on and so forth. You can also customize the animations. So there's none, and there's also ambient movement if you'd like. And of course, you can customize the mobile layout as well. And this is the accessibility settings here. But nevertheless, now, as you can see here, there's a slideshow, right? And you can see that now there's an individual image slide here. And this is where you add in your image. So right now, you can see here, like we have 2 slides here, right? And there's also 2 image slide here. If you want to add another slide, just click on the plus button. It'll add another slide and it'll add into 3. If you want the way you change the image, you just click on the image slide. And then you can select an image or explore free images. I'm just going to click explore free images. I'm going to change it into this sunset, for example. I'm going to press select. After that, I'm going to change the second image slide. I'm going to click on it. Explore free images again. I'm going to do shop local now, for example. I'm just going to do this. Select. I'm going to go back. I'm going to change the last and final image. Select image. I'm going to change it to the sunset again. Done. Go back. And now we have 3 full image sliders here. If you want to rearrange the order, you just have to click on these dots and then rearrange it like this. Now, make sure to save and you're done. And this is how you make a banner slider in your Shopify website.